I'm actually standing outside my room because I wanted to show you guys this.
One, two, three, four.
Hey guys, it's Jya and welcome to my journal. First off, my Big Bang Light Stick version 4. This is actually a gift, or should I say I won this at a giveaway contest. This is not working because I don't have any batteries. By the way, I'm wearing a GD shirt I bought from Korea.
나 지금 8세컨즈를 살 거야. 넘나? 사랑스러워. My 8 seconds.
I really admire YG family when it comes to K-pop albums because instead of putting K-pop artists' faces on their album cover, they put logo instead and they focus more on their music. But I don't know what happened to this one. This is my Big Bang Alive album and it's super rusty now. The metal oxidates.
Wow, fantastic, babe.
Big Bang Still Alive, which is a special edition. This is from Korea. These two CDs are especially for the Philippines only. Special edition. This one is Big Bang Essential. I think this one has a DVD with all the old music videos of Big Bang. My other CDs, my dad made this for me. I also got these songbooks because back in the days, Big Bang is live. Other songbooks. Ooh, this one is EXO. Music Asia, I saw G Dragon there. Big Bang. And K-pop in there. There's High Top magazine. And I'm gonna find. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. Check. Do any of you guys remember this? Classic. I bought a bunch of pirated DVDs way back a long time ago when there was no Netflix, no K-drama fever, no K-drama fire, no drama cool, or any other K-drama watching sites. Oh, this one is a Taiwanese drama. And this is probably my latest purchase. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys this one because Top was here.
Keep me in the loop.
Stickers that I obviously did not use. I even made a sketchbook with a G-Top. I shipped this too. So I printed lyrics. Big Bang lyrics. Oh, I made a something special for them. This one I brought this at the concert, and this one I drew this after the concert. I also got some 21 here and top. All of these are not finished. I also have in here a Jeju fan, Jeju Air fan, a previous at the concert. Unfortunately, I stopped collecting Big Bang merch 2015, right before Big Bang Made album was released. I promised myself that I won't be buying K-pop albums and Instead, I would be spending my money on K-pop related shirts, Korean cosmetics, and Korean food. I don't know. That's it, guys. That's the end of my collection. I hope you guys like my video, and please give this one a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more K-shit. Thank you for watching. Mabuhay!